Extended breastfeeding is very, very normal and it's very okay. For me, hanggang ngayon, I have a 3-year-old and she's still breastfeeding. Wala tayong limit. Kahit hindi na ang ating breast milk ang pinaka main source ng pagkain ni baby, marami pa rin siyang nakukuhang benefits from breastfeeding. Ang isa dito sa benefit na pinaka na-appreciate ko, pinaka vina-value ko is yung live na antibodies. Kasi hindi nabibili yun sa butika, sa katawan lang natin pwedeng makuha yun. Kapag nagkakasakit si baby, breast milk is formulated by our body to target kung ano man yung nagkukos ng sakit ni baby. I encourage you to breastfeed as long as you can, as long as your baby wants to. So sila din ang magsasabi sa'yo na ready na sila to win. Like and subscribe!